So when I'm giving you for reading, you have to read also, children. If I get any type of complaint from your parents that you people are not reading at home and they are not listening to us, ma'am, then what I'll do, that I'll ask them to take your video through WhatsApp. I'll watch your video, children, whether you are reading or not. Because along with writing skills, reading skills are also very, very important. Okay? You have to learn reading. That's the reason I'm giving you weekly twice reading also. Especially English is the subject where you have to learn how to read. Every time there will not be need of giving presentation through writing. Most of the times you will be asked to give your oral presentation. For that oral, you people have to improve your reading skills. Okay? Come on, let us start writing our notebook, children. Everyone open new fresh page. Write today's date and I'll start sharing on the screen. So whatever I'm writing here, you people have to copy in your notebooks. Okay? Is everyone able to listen my voice? Please show me your raised hands. Yes, ma'am, we are able to listen. Everyone have to show me your hands. That if you are raising your hands, I will think that you are able to listen. Okay, fine. Everyone are able to listen. Fine, children. See, note down the date. Start writing. Write the date, children, and today I'm going to explain you again about pronouns. So today's date is 2/7/20. This is the month of July. Write down heading as pronouns. 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 Everyone, without wasting a single minute, you have to write, children. And don't ask your parents to write. You have to write by your own handwriting. What is meant by pronoun, children? Pronoun means it replaces noun. See, I'm writing the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of one or more naming words. Children, when you are also writing, you have to read and write. Just simply don't put your lips, don't put your mouth shut and write down. When you are writing, you have to read loudly and then write. Examples. I, he, she, we, you, they, etc. Write neatly, children. And also, we have got your all the course books. Very soon you people will be receiving your course books so that you can be well prepared for your exams. Next week you people are going to have your exams, theme 1 exam. So children, start preparing from now onwards itself. Don't wait that tomorrow the exam will be and I'll prepare from today onwards. Don't do that. Start preparation from today itself. Don't waste a single minute of time. I think within two days, you people will be receiving your all the course books which were missing before when you have taken the books. Is it over, children? Shall I erase this? Children, I'm erasing. Ashrita, is it over? Swarnika, is it completed? Okay. Ananya, over? Okay. Advait, Ronel, Ayanj, over. Is it completed, my dear kids? Ayan, Ashwath, Pradiksha, have you completed? Shall I erase the board, children? Shall I clear it? Okay. Everyone over, no? Fine. Again, you have to take one more fresh page, children. We'll do one exercise based on pronouns. So write down the heading. Circle the suitable pronoun. Okay. Write down first one. I'll share this worksheet with you, children. Yes, Ananya, you have doubt? Yes?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Not appear, teacher.
Here only we can see, but I cannot see in big.
I did not understand what, Ananya.
Previous only it is there, teacher. Pronoun, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Zoom. Teacher, I want Zoom.
You want Zoom? That means
Yeah.
you cannot see, ma'am, what I'm writing?
No, madam. Very small it is there.
Okay, okay, very small. Once if I complete, no, then I'll start zooming. Okay?
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ananya. Write down, children. this is my slash their hat. So here, which will be correct one? This is my hat or this is their hat. So you will say that this is my hat. In this way, you have to circle the answer. This is the correct answer. So you have to circle in this way only, children. Their, this is wrong answer, children. So you should not do that circle. My, this my is the correct answer. So you have to circle only this one. Okay. In this way only we will do other sentences also. Now, second one. it slash THEY, they are dancing. So we will say it are dancing. No, that is wrong. It is wrong. They are dancing. So now what you will do? You will circle they. You will circle they. In this way, they are dancing. Next. YOU. That is called as UIT. It is a blue bag. So bag is a thing. That's why we will use there it. So it is the correct answer, children. You will circle it. We cannot use you. So circle only it because bag is a thing. And for things, we will use the word pronoun called it. Again, fourth one. I'll give you different type of example, children, by showing the name. See here. meet, comma, Rima and Seema full stop. You have to write they are my sisters. 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 They are my sisters. You have to write in this way, children. So here, they are, they is the word called pronoun. Everyone please write neatly, children. Sudhamsh, are you writing? I cannot see you. Veda? Janvi, is it over? Completed? Okay, very good. Suryansh, have you completed? Yes, very good, Janvi. Nice. Suryansh, have you completed? Sai Ritvik? Over? Very good. Brinda completed? Okay. Rohit, are you about to finish? Okay. Veda completed? Okay. Swarnika, is it over? Very good. Sudhamsh, I'm not able to see, my dear. Hanvit completed. Ronel, Covid, Kitana, Arhan, please everyone show me your books if you have completed. Kitana, show little bit up. Yes, okay. Fine. Okay, COVID also completed. Okay, fine. Hanvit, where are you? Okay, Ronel also completed. Yes, very good. Okay, okay, Hanvit. Done. Okay, Manha, very good. Sai Joshit also completed. Good, put your book down. Ayan also completed. Mayuri, where are you? Okay, children. So now I am erasing the board and I'll show you one video, because at that time when I was sharing, you was unable to listen the sound, no? So now I'll share the video, and then after that the class will be automatically get off. Okay, stop writing, children. Enough you are writing, and now you will enjoy the video. Okay, everyone put your books aside, no problem. Whatever is missing, no, today you will have